Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. Welcome in your English class. Dear student, in this video we are going to start next book of English, that is Oxford Progressive English. Here you can see its picture. This book is very interesting. So let's start to read this book. First lesson, unit number 1, the sea. Dear student, this unit is consist on many lessons. So we are going to read its first lesson, that is listen and speak. Exercise A, read the dialogue, number the topics in the box in the order in which they are discussed in the dialogue. Dear student, what you have to do in this exercise, we will read these dialogues and at the end you have to sort out. We will arrange the sentences that how these different things are discussed. Number 1. Number 1 is already sort out for your help. Through this you will understand how you will complete this exercise. It's day first. At the seaside activities camp. Then bed, meet a new friend. Dear student, I hope many of you go to the seaside or heard seaside. And you must know what is it and what kind of activities like to perform there. You can play football there, you can swim there, you can play volleyball, etc. All these things you like and you love to doing at the seaside. Let's start the conversation. Harry, hi, I'm Harry. Dan, hi, I'm Dan. Harry, where do you live? Dan, live in Aston. Harry, which school do you go to? Dan, I go to John Fox School. I am in class 5. Harry, how old are you? Dan, I'm 11. Harry, I'm 12. What sports do you play? Dan, I swim and play volleyball, basketball and football. Harry, so do I. How many brothers and sisters do you have? Dan, I have 2 sisters. Their names are Sandra and Emma. Now you know about me. Tell me something about yourself. Harry, sure. What would you like to know? Dear student, बेसिकली इस कन्वर्सेशन में हमारे पास 2 कैरेक्टर हैं, हैरी और डैन. ये दोनों सीसाइड एक्टिविटीज़ कैंप में एक साथ मिलते हैं और वहाँ पर ये फ्रेंड्स बनते हैं. हैरी अपने बारे में बताता है और डैन अपने बारे में बताता है. आई होप कि आपको ये इजीली कन्वर्सेशन समझ आ गई होगी. डियर स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पर वो गेम्स हैं जो कि इस स्टोरी में डिस्कस की गई थी. वॉलीबॉल, बास्केटबॉल, football. Dear student, what you have to do, you have to arrange all of their paragraph in these words. Let's suppose in number 1. Dear student, यहाँ पर आपको number 1 में already complete हुआ number नज़र आ रहा है. Which thing is the first discussed in the dialogue? Dear student, in dialogue में first कौन सी thing discuss की गई है? Let's read again. Harry, hi, I am Harry. Dan, I am Dan. Harry, where do you live? Dan, I live in Aston. And Dan lives in Aston. That means his home is in Aston. So first thing is discussed is home. तो second यहाँ पर कौन सी चीज़ डिस्कस की गई है? Let's see. Harry, which school do you go to? Dear students, second बात कौन सी डिस्कस की गई है? वेल डन. स्कूल के बारे में डिस्कस की गई है, तो आप यहाँ पर इसका नंबर लिखेंगे नंबर 2. लाइक दिस यू विल कंप्लीट दिस एक्सरसाइज ऑन योर ओपी बुक पेज नंबर 2. एक्सरसाइज नंबर सी. नाउ रीड दिस डायलॉग एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. डियर स्टूडेंट, वी विल रीड दिस डायलॉग्स एंड देन वी विल आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. व्हिच क्वेश्चन इज, हैज़ डैन गॉट अ गुड और बैड मेमोरी? डैन की मेमोरी किस किस्म की थी, अच्छी थी या बुरी थी? लेट्स सी. डैन, यू आर चार्ली, आरंट यू? Harry, no, I'm Harry. Dan, and you are 10 years old, aren't you? Harry, no, I'm 12. And you go to primary school, don't you? Harry, no, I don't. I go to secondary school. Dan, and you live in Ramsgate, don't you? Harry, no, you are mixing me up with someone else. Dan, do you have two brothers? Harry, no, only one brother. His name is Charlie. Have you finished? Dan, why? Harry, I don't like answering too many personal questions. Dear student, in this conversation, Dan has forgot whether he is Harry or Charlie. Dear student, now you will decide whether his memory is good or bad, and you will write its answer in your English rough copy. Dear student, your today's homework is complete exercise number A and exercise number C, and also you will read these dialogues. Dear students, send your reading and this exercise work in WhatsApp group. Hope you understood. Allah Hafiz.